Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show how to add a .txt file to a website hosted on Godaddy. Adding a .txt file helps us verify authorized ad sellers and protect the site from ad fraud. Let's get started. First, open your Google Ad in your browser. Once Godaddy is open in your hub, log into your account. Then, go to the upper right corner and click your name. Click your name again. For example, if we want to add a .txt file to a domain, we choose the domain we want to manage. Then we go directly to DNS. If we go directly to DNS, we are not going to manage. We click this DNS. Once we are in DNS management, we go to DNS records. Under DNS records, we will see the option to add a new record. Click this option, then a new record will appear. We can select the type. Here, we select .txt. Now, enter the names we want for the host. Sometimes it is a host or an email. Enter the value in the value field. Once we are done, click Save. That is how we add .txt records to our domain. If the file was uploaded correctly, our platforms can verify our site for security.